Welcome to the second last video, or possibly the last video for this series of how to create a high converting book funnel for free. So you've created all your pages and the funnel is looks good from the outside. What you got to do now is configure some of the back end. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create a tag. What is a tag? A tag means that when the person puts in their uh, name and email, whether it be to buy the book or as through your pop-up, it'll add a little tag in your system just to clarify who that is. So you can see, for example, I've got all these tags. It's because if they go to the Functional Health Show, which is one of my websites.com, and they sign up there, they'll get tagged with FHS, right? And I want to keep them separate from people that sign up for the Survival Fitness Plan or from Sam Fury. Okay, so for you, if this is your first time on Systemi or whatever, all you really need is one tag. Even if it's your only thing, you still need a tag because it helps with the other backend. So all you got to do is go to this create button, press create, and then type in a tag name. Let's just call this test tag. Okay, and then save. And that's that for that step. So close that. The next thing you want to do is create an email campaign. Now this step is optional, okay? A campaign is a sequence of emails. Now why would you want to use this? Maybe you want to send like a bunch of follow-up sales, not sales emails, but just like for them to introduce yourself, to tell them what you have to offer for them. Maybe you want to give them some free gifts, anything like that. It's just like a welcome sequence to introduce the person into your world. This isn't a marketing course, so I'm not going to go in on how to do it, but you like what to write in all the emails. But the option's there for you to do that. Okay, so all you would do is the same thing, just press create, name the campaign, put your sender email address, right? If when you connect your domain, you connect your email as well, so it depends what it sends from. This description is just for you, so you just write whatever you want. For the purpose of this, I'm not going to create one, okay? I'm just going to do it the super simple method, but the option is there for you to create it, and in future steps in this video, I'll show you how it's all connected. Okay, the next thing you want to do is create automation rules. So we open this. I have a lot of automation rules, as you can see, okay? But we're going to create some so the only difference is when you open this, it is going to be empty, basically. So rule number one, just create a rule, and then trigger is the funnel step form subscribed, right? Trigger, funnel step form subscribed, and then you choose your funnel. So it's whatever you named your funnel, evading and escaping capture, sample, okay, was the one. I called it sample because I've got two of them. And then you choose the funnel step. Make sure you choose this one. Just the book. Okay, these are the steps that you called it in your funnel. So you should be able to recognize them pretty easily. And then I want to do that again because there's two places, right, where they could put in their thing. This is like on the sales page. I'll show you an example in a minute. Something I didn't mention in an earlier video, I'm going to mention it to you right now. All right, so this is a two-step order form. When the person puts in their information, so if they click this and then they get to the thing and they might like, actually, you know what? I don't want to buy this, and they bail, you've still got their email because they still put it in there. Okay. And the next one is evading and escaping capture sample again. But this time it's the sample page, and this is the opt-in page, okay? So you've got the two places that they can do it. They can do it here, and they can also, on the squeeze page, is this page, in case you need a refresher. That's where the two places they can put the email. Okay, so that's why you need to set up two rules here. And then what happens when they want the rule? That's the two triggers. And the action is to add tag. One of the actions is to add the tag. So add a tag. What tag? The tag that you just made, my test tag. And the second action is to send an email, okay? Or to subscribe to a campaign. So if you created a campaign here that you want them to, once they sign up, however they sign up, for them to get, you would choose, save the rule. You would choose subscribe to a campaign, this one, and then just choose your campaign, whatever that happens to be. But if you didn't do that, which I didn't, you can just put send an email, okay? But then you have to configure the email. And configuring that email is just like, hello, welcome to blah, blah, blah. Here's your free gift. Here's about us or whatever. Alternatively, if you can't be bothered writing the emails just yet, you can always do it later. All you really need to do is add the tag, okay? So all you really need to do is add the tag. I'll just repeat that because it's important. And that's all I'm gonna do here is just add the tag, okay? And then you wanna save the rule. So make sure you save the rule. Actually, I think I just saved that twice. Yeah. So let's just delete one of them. All right. Now you need another rule. So your second rule is going to be to trigger a new sale. So once the person buys something, this is a very important one. Make sure you choose the right one. So you want it on the first one, okay? On your book, not on your one-time offer, on your book or your upsell, sorry. And then you want to send an email, okay? And then just add the email. And I've actually got the copy here that you can copy the copy. And you can even actually leave this first name. You see how it's got all these things here where it says available personalization attributes. So it's already pre-embedded in my sample. So that means that when this gets sends to Sam Fury, it'll say, Sam, your copy of book title has arrived, okay? Preview. I like to put this in there because it helps with email deliverability so they know who it's from. So make sure you change your domain to your domain, or you can just write whatever you like, what you prefer to write. That is up to you. And then put this in there. I like to make it a bit bigger. Let's make it 18. All right. Hi, first name, leave that. Thanks for your purchase. Here is a direct link to your version of book. Make sure you change this. Link to the PDF. Where's the link to the PDF? You can see that I've highlighted this green. So go up, past the first green one to here, and then you just copy and paste this in on top of this and add the link, okay? And do it for the bundle as well, and do it for, and then change your name. And that's it. And then you can save this and save the rule, okay? So now what happens is the person buys something and they'll get the tag and then they'll get sent the email as well, okay? The purchase email, as well as if you made this email, they'll get sent 2 emails, okay? So now what we're gonna do, actually, that's it for this video, okay? We will come back in the next video and test everything.